Here we come to the elevator at Mercedes-Benz dealership in Sugar Land, Texas. This is going to be an updated take on this elevator. It's been so long since I've seen this thing, almost close to 8 to 10 years. It's an Otis Series 1. Unfortunately, the Schindler 3300 elevator in the parking garage is broken ever since the hurricane. Still got that fan, so I don't know how well we're able to hear the motor. Two. Still able to hear the motor through the fan, nice. I might go for one more ride. Unfortunately, the Schindler 3300 elevator in the parking garage is broken. I should have came here earlier this year before the hurricane happened, so I had a chance to record the Schindler 3300 elevator, but it's sadly broken. I'll go back down the window there. There it goes. And that's it.